Hey guys, welcome to this film. Give a big thumbs up because today we're gonna be doing race cars. What is it called?
Hot Wheel race cars.
The Hot Wheel race cars with my grandma. Okay, so I'm gonna set it up right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna get some cars. So we're gonna be racing with this car and this orange car. So I'm gonna go up there and then you're gonna see the cars go off these things. Okay, so here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, that looks like a tie. A little. So we're gonna go again until somebody wins. Here we go again. After this one, if it's a tie, we're gonna do different cars.
I think the yellow one by a little.
Yeah, me too. So the yellow one won that, and then so the next one, the yellow one's going against this car. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. I think the yellow one again. So that guy's out.
Want to try that orange one? These seem to be good.
What orange one? This one? I already did the orange one. This one?
This one.
I already did that one.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so now we're going to go against this one. The yellow one's going to go against this one. So here we go again. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yellow by far.
Yellow again. We got to get this.
It appears to be the fastest car.
Okay, now we're going to go against. How about we go do that one? Practice one. That one was a practice one. Okay, so I made a decision. We're going to be going against this one. Here we go. Oh, wait, I got the wrong car. Which one was it?
The yellow was that one? Can't remember.
I thought I just had it.
Okay, let's just try it against this one.
Okay. Even though I think I could find it. Did I didn't know. That was weird. Okay, so the orange one and this one. So the yellow is the championship. No, I'm not going to. So we changed this car to be the championship because we lost the other one. We don't know where it is. Oh, I found it. It's this one. Okay, so. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
White.
I think the yellow should win. You know why?
Because it went farther?
No, it's because I went like this a little.
Yeah.
My hand kind of like stick to it like this.
Okay.
I went like this.
Okay, try again. Wow, white went down first.
So we're going to do a rematch for that one. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yellow.